Hello and welcome. In this short video, we'll take a quick look at how to make a particular Windows view stick throughout the PDM vault. Uh, it's important to have the details view here. It's the most advantageous for PDM because not only do you get all of these columns, which is some default columns, but also you can add columns of your own. So we have part number here, for example, which we can just drag over. Or we can have description, we can have revision, any column and any information that we want about files, we can actually put them in here as well. But quite often what you might find is as you go into a folder, sometimes PDM doesn't remember, or Windows rather, doesn't remember what you've specified as the details view. So to get it to stick, as it were, the easiest way is to go back to the root level of the vault, set it to whichever you want, whether it's large icons or tiles, or in this case, as I want details. Then what you need to do, so in Windows 7, you can go to Organize and Folder and Search Options. In Windows 10, you'll have a button called Folder and Search Options as well. Once we go into there, you can click on the View tab and then tick Apply to Folders. And then all the subsequent subfolders in the vault will follow that setting as well. But the key is, as I said, just to set that at the root level of the vault and then choose to apply it to all folders. It wouldn't work if you did that from a lower level folder, for example. Thank you. Folder, for example. Thank you.